Hey, what's up? It's your favorite Asian family, Lee's Dynasty. Hello.
Hi.
So today, actually yesterday, we bought this Nerf gun. Sorry, with Nerf. It's called XShot Excel Series, and actually it's not in the box. They all took it already. You know? Hold on. Yeah, that's the gun right there. This shot, you guys. And well, today. Woo! And today, we'll be testing out these guns at a shooting range. So let's go. Oh yeah. First, the reason why the kids are here is I have to babysit them now, because unfortunately Eli's not here today due to some accident. See you there. All right, guys, we made it. And well, for Target, we'll be using this Target red card to shoot at, you know. Because I work at Target, it's not a red card, but a water bottle. We'll be using that. And the guns, kill the shoulder. Oh! Those are the guns we'll be shooting. Oh. We got a sniper rifle here. It can also be converted into a shotgun. Boom! Boom! So yeah, let's begin.
In paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh, life could be a dream. If I could take you up in paradise, I suppose. If you would tell me I'm the only one that you love, life could be a dream, sweetheart. Hello, hello again. Shaboom, and home with me again. Oh,
So Yastin's about to shoot the target about maybe like 5 foot down over there, you know, and then hopefully he gets it. Okay, follow. So Sheila is going up next. Hi, one.
hi.
All right. So she'll be shooting with the BB gun. Just kidding, it's a pistol. Okay, follow. Alright, so Rika is up. She'll be taking a turn at shooting at it. Okay, follow. Oh yeah. Alright, it's Kaylee's turn to shoot the gun. Now don't point at us. Ooh. Oh, she shot already. She's gonna try to go retrieve the bullet. Look, come back. Come back, hurry. Hurry up. Come back. Did you hit it?
Oh!
Whoa! Did you hit it? Did you hit it?
No. Let's do
you got it?
Yeah.
Woo! So after a successful day at shooting at the range, we can conclude that XShot Excel Series is a good sniper. So to all the young hunters this year, starting this season, I recommend this sniper for you. You know, you might get a big buck with this.